Hey guys, look at them ages. But you can call me Mrende and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Video Wednesdays by Mrende on Thursday. I'm sorry this video is late, guys. You know, I just felt like because I uploaded my Sunday vlog on Sunday, which is 3 days ago, then uploading it on on Wednesday, it's gonna like be 2 days ago. Yeah, well, so I'm gonna upload this on Thursday. Tomorrow on Thursday. And I'm gonna upload and then we're gonna go back to our normal schedule. Anyways, I did French curls yesterday. As you can see, this is how they look. I told my hairdresser to make them very thin because I feel like, I don't know if you guys can see properly, because I feel like they look nicer when they're thin. If you can't afford like those French curls of like million bucks, because these are the normal French curls that you would get. I think this pack was like 100 rand each. I got two. Actually, let me show you. So this is the brand that I got. I feel like I have a picture somewhere and I'm gonna paste it. So this is the brand that I got. I got two of these and just a little is left. I just told her that because once a month end there is a function that I will have to go to. So I think maybe I'm just gonna remove two lines and redo it. And to keep your French curls nice and non-sticky, non-together, you must use mousse. I have this one that I use. So today essentially I did my nails, guys. Look, you like them? Are they pretty? Essentially what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna give you like different hairstyles that you can style your French curls. Not every day you must do a bun, okay? And I also understand that my target audience, is how I say it, most of my subscribers are above 25. I would like to think. If you're above 25, say woohoo down below. Please comment and say woohoo if you're above 25, because I'm above 25. So, and I think like there's certain hairstyles that we don't want to do anymore because we're above 25, you know, like. So and it's still a little bit painful, guys, because it was only done yesterday. So obviously this is the normal one that we do, right? I actually like it when I open a line a little bit. Let me clean this. I like it when there's doesn't look nice. I like it when I open a little, like you see if I have a middle line and I just leave it like this instead of like closing everything like this. So I think this is timeless and classic. So try to do that, right? This is obviously your normal high bun that you would do. It's my birthday. I can do what I like. Oh, it's so painful, you guys. So you see, with the line, it's nice and cute. It looks neat. Your edges are done. This is how it looks from the back. What do you guys think? I like it. I think I should go get those bow tie things. But I don't know. I don't think I'm a fan, to be honest. Okay, let me come closer so you guys can see. My curls, I don't know, maybe it's because they're still new, but they're not together. You understand? Like, they're not stacked together. I feel like that's something that I'm gonna try and avoid having on my hair because it makes the hairstyle looks very, very old. So this is how I look. Okay, second look. I think this is timeless, right? Just leave your hair hanging like this. However, I'm not a fan of all of the hair because there's literally nothing left at the back. So I leave like a little bit, just a little bit, right? I feel like it's so timeless. You can just, you know, just leave your hair like this and leave it like this. Or, because you're above 25, I feel like, I genuinely feel like there's certain hairstyles that I can't do because I'm 25. I can like tuck it behind my ears, like seal. Tuck it behind my ears, right? And just leave it, like, right? This is such a timeless look. Oof. do like my I had to do this in front of the mirror because I wasn't too sure if it was gonna pan out the way I was hoping it would. So 2 strands of hair. I think though I prefer one. Let's just put this here. So this is how it looks from the back. Is this recording? Yeah. This is how it looks from the back. This is how my hair looks like from the back. It's cute, it's neat, right? Although this, I feel like it's on the younger generation, but I feel like as about 25-year-old, you can also rock it. You can also like leave your hair on the sides like this. Or if the strands don't work for you, to just tuck them back in, like so. I'm not taking mine in, I'm just like trying to show you. Just make sure that your edges are done, and then, you know, you can look like this. Or you can just, you know, oh, this is also cute. This is how it, yeah, I like this. And that's how it looks from the back. So let me quickly show you how I achieve this look. Okay, so your hair obviously will be loose like seal, right? I'm gonna come closer to you guys so you can see. Hope you guys can see. You then take a little bit of hair like seal. As you can see, it's little, right? You then bring it together. Make sure there's like a space, a hole that you're gonna leave here. This is where you're gonna tuck in your hair. And then when you put your ribbon, be mindful to leave some space. Put it like so. Tight as it can be. It's not tight from the front, as you can see. It's not tight. Because it needs to look loose, right? I think this is gonna be enough for me. You tie it like so. You then take it from like this, not like this, because it's not gonna look nice. It must be like this from the bottom, going up like so. So you see, it looks like it's overflowing. I think I should have put more hair in, to be honest. But do you get what I'm trying to say? It must be like this so it can float to the bottom. And then it looks like this. Let me quickly try and do it in front of the mirror, because I feel like when it's like this, it's too loose. I feel like I took a little bit of hair. Ooh, what am I doing? Okay. Let me quickly do this. Ain't so rich, ain't so nice stuff. I mean to. You saw what I did at the back, right? Make sure your lines are straight also. Please don't forget to put on edges. Your hair will look nicer with edges. I'm just gonna take a little bit more than what I did previously. As you can see, this is a lot more. I can feel it also. There we go. I feel like it can rain properly now. So it's like a waterfall that needs to rain on your head. You see what I mean? Just I'm not looking myself in the mirror, but from here you see what I mean. It needs to rain. And then, yeah, that was tired. So this is how it looks like. And then as I said, you can pull like 1 or 2 strands of the hairpiece. Make it look like this if you fancy that kind of a thing. I don't think I'm a fan, but it looks cute. Just make sure also this is balanced, right? When you tie your hair, make it as tight as you feel it's tight here. But yeah, this is how the look looks. Hey guys, don't I just look cute? I think I like this. I think I'm gonna go out looking like this. Love it so much. I'm gonna do one more, and this is where we're gonna end our video. Also, the one thing that I realized, right, as you guys can see, mine are not, they don't have a lot of volume. Reason for this being is that I was kind of skeptical about the brand, if it's gonna be stuck together, like if it's gonna come together and if the curls are gonna be loose, right? So I said to her, she must section it small, right? Because this, you see, it's not that thick. I see with a lot of people, it's very thick, which means then the curls are gonna be stuck together. I think mine in due time, maybe like in a week or two, it's gonna be together, as you guys can see. But they're quite fresh now because, and I instructed her to comb it, like, you know, with a brush, because I don't want them to be stuck together. Because I feel like you need to be very careful with French curls. It's either you buy like, oh, but this looks nice, you see? You need to buy like quality brand. I am just not in the know for now with the quality of brands that I would use. Yeah, I think I'll need to find out and tell you guys and come and tell you guys. But with this is not a bad brand, to be honest. You just need to take care of it, because if your curls are stuck together, guys, like still wool, you've lost the game. You've lost, like, like, please try again next time, you know. Look at this pretty girl talking to you. I even twist. Can you guys tell? So my eyebrows are not the same. This side, there's more hair than this side. But anyways, that's a collab. I'm gonna do one more and then we're gonna wrap it up. Okay, we're gonna do a bun now. So pay attention. I'm gonna take a little bit of hair and leave it in the front. If you have another scrunchie, you can just like whopper it. I don't have, I only just have this one. Well, rather, I don't know where they are. Right, fine, like so. Just so you can separate this hair and this hair. And then you're gonna take the hair that's left. You're gonna take the hair that's left. You guys can see. And you whopper it with a scrunchie. It's not too tight. It's not tight enough, rather. Whopper it. A scrunchie. Now, this is where you do this. You leave it like so. You see what I did? You then take the hair like this. You see, you would love the curls, these strands to be left alone. Just bring it together a little bit. So this from the back. Bring it together a little bit, and I like it for the line in between to be defined. So you're gonna define this line like so, you know, like first try. You're gonna bring them back. You're gonna leave it like this. You see how high my bun is? You see, I kept donzaring it like this. So this will determine how high or low your bun is. I prefer to be this high. Then now you have hair that's left like so. This is how it looks from the back. So you have hair left like this. Make sure your line is straight. Yes. Is it? Or is it like this? Yeah, I think it's supposed to be. Where do you belong? Did this woman do like a straight line? Because I can't see. Wait. This is a side. Anyhow. You then take the strands of your hair and then you pull them like this. Like all these curls, just leave one or two. Let's leave two, right? Hanging like so. You then take another one, this one, you put it back in, leave a strand. I'm just gonna leave one on the side. And then with the strands also, I'm gonna try to just like pull them out, like a little bit of hair, like a little bit, and then you tuck it back in. This one is too long, I think. Needs to go back to where it belongs. So usually, some people, what I've seen is that they would actually like cut the hair, like, you know, like cut it. You see, like these strands, they would actually, I don't want to cut mine because the hair's still new. This is how it would look. This is how the hairdo will look. Just, you know, so this also depends on how many strands you would like to hang. I feel like just one for me is enough. I feel like it looks cute. This is Murindi Holdings. How can I assist you? This is how it looks like. I feel like this is decent. It's classic also, you know, like it's been done so many times. And this is how it looks from the back. I hope you guys can see when I do this. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's giving Kimukosa. Okay guys, I think I'm done with the looks. Honestly, I like this hairdo. Honestly, I really like it. Should stop saying also, one thing I'm realizing, my house has better lighting than way by my bed. So I feel like maybe I need to shift where I do all of these. Look at them ages. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing. My subscribers are growing and I appreciate it so much. It looks so pretty. I look so pretty. Let me go pray. Hallelujah. Let me go pray. And then please don't forget to watch my weekly vlog on Sunday. That's when I'm gonna upload. And continue sharing, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel, guys. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Truly. I really do. Okay, don't forget to stay pretty. Stay pretty. And don't forget to pray, because God gives a glow that looks like this. Bye.